Hey y'all, I'm Allie, and today I'm here to tell y'all about my brand new saddlebags because I am just so excited for them. I had been on the market looking for good saddlebags for my 2004 Sportster for so long, and if you ride a Sportster, you'll completely understand this. It is so hard to find a decent saddlebag, especially when you're riding a smaller bike, until I found Viking Bags. They saved me. I installed these this week. I absolutely love them. No modification required, which was a huge selling point for me because most saddlebags that I found for this thing require me to remove the taillights, and I honestly just didn't want to do that. Another one of my favorite things about these bags is that they lock. Most leather saddlebags for a Sportster don't lock, so this is like nice peace of mind. I like to go to the rallies. I want to be able to leave stuff on my bike and not carry it with me everywhere, so this was an absolute game changer. And they have tons of room. Honestly, I could probably fit hoodie, phones, everything I need, and more. I wonder if I can pull. They come with this little pocket, Velcro. You can take it out, fit your phones, tools, whatever you need. No modification required either. It was literally swap these two bolts, pop them right on. It was like a 20-minute install. Another thing that I love about these bags is how close they are to the fender. They just do not get in the way. I'll lean it up and show y'all. When I'm riding, I don't even notice they're there. I can have a passenger here in my passenger pegs. They do not get in the way at all.